Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can play Monopoly Go on your PC. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up any type of preferred browser. Just search for BlueStacks. Open up its official website and you will see this type of interface. Just click on download BlueStacks button here and the app will start downloading. After that, just install it on your PC, and once the installation completes, you will see this type of application open. You can see that the Monopoly Go is installed on my BlueStacks account. Now to install it, just go over to your Play Store, search for Monopoly Go, and after logging with your Google account, then just install it like you would do on a smartphone. After it installs completely, open it like this and you'll be able to play it. So this is basically how you can play Monopoly Go on PC. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.